So I have the worst luck with cars. And when I mean worst luck, I mean I had a car that blew up and then I bought another one for cash and it blew up within a year. So I was stuck, I didn't know what to do. I'd gone through like a major life change just a little while ago. During this life change, it really affected my credit rating and just different things to make it hard to get financing for a new vehicle. And I'm on the process right now of rebuilding, so I came to World Class because I heard that they're the guys to come to when you're in a situation like that. And I got here and everything has been smooth sailing. They took care of it for me and I got approved. They gave me the call, it got approved.
Only 1,800 kilometers on it, even though it's 2017.
When they told me the car that they had in mind for me, they told me, yeah, it's got 1,800 kilometers on it. And then when I came in, Aaron goes, no, not 18,000, 1,800. So we're talking like a brand new car.
Your license fee, which is charged by the province of New Brunswick.
So I'm just so happy. They treated me so good here. And it's just another step on my journey, on my rebuilding of life, that I can say, you know what, I got this car on my own. And I'm so happy for World Class for helping me do that.
Bump elbows,